This is the UNiiDEA ceramic spoon rest, a charming decoration for the table or kitchen. This blue ceramic spoon rest can withstand the microwave, the oven, the top rack of the dishwasher, and the freezer. This UNiiDEA ceramic spoon rest makes an excellent gift. This product is coated with an artistic reactive glaze. The coating is cadmium and lead free. The foot of the spoon rest is not coated and is very stable. The spoon rest can hold a variety of things, from simple spoons to ladles, to spatulas, to whisks, and even basting brushes. It even works as a small serving bowl for some munchies, or even for some fresh vegetables and dip. Love this UNiiDEA ceramic spoon rest. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.